Okay, so this is the last speaker for the first session. If you could go back in time and talk to yourself at the age of 10, what advice would you give yourself? I repeat, if you could go back in time and talk to yourself at the age of 10, what advice would you give yourself? Please welcome Toastmaster Jose Paul.
Jose Paul.
Favorite topic, Madam, Toastmasters and dear guests. Going back to age 10, I guess if there's an opportunity to join a Toastmasters club, definitely yes. That's the first thing that I would do, but I think we have age restrictions, so that's not possible. But otherwise, what I would like to see myself at that age, now after having gone through more than 3 decades after that, would be to really be able to focus on what I have to do. And that, I think, is a very important quality, because that would bring in a lot of confidence in me. And I personally feel that of all the qualities that is most important in doing well or excelling in whatever you're doing, I think confidence is one great thing that will give you a big push up. And that is what I just try to pass on to my sons now, that I couldn't really fulfill those things that I wanted to do. So because once you have confidence, the things such as skills and knowledge and everything you can possibly acquire over the years. But if you lose confidence on the way, I think it brings you really down. So what I would tell all of us here are, of course, about 10, but we all would have children now or possibly in future, is that give them enough support so that they build confidence. I think that is the route for success. What do you, madam?